everyone, hope you all fine. So I came with one more topic, moment generating function of beta distribution of first kind. So this is requested by a student. She comment to make video on this topic. So I'm going to do. Okay, let's learn what it is. Okay, yeah, see here. We all know that moment generating function in the sense what it is denoted with mx of t. Okay, mx of t in the sense nothing but expectation of e power tx. So this is the formula of moment generating function. Okay, so before going to do this one, first we have to know what is the formula for beta distribution of first kind PDF, that means probability density function we have to learn. Okay, now with that only we can able to do anything. Without learning PDF we can't do anything. PDF in the sense what? Probability density function. Why? Because it is called PDF in the sense it is a continuous distribution. So that's why instead of mass function we are going to use probability density function. Okay, yeah, let's learn. The probability density function of beta distribution of first kind, okay, of first kind is nothing but f of x equals to x to the power of a minus 1 into 1 minus x to the power of b minus 1 by b of a comma b, or else beta of a comma b also you can call, and the limits are 0 less than x less than 1. Okay, if the limits are from 0 to 1, that is called as first kind. If the limits are 0 to infinity, it is called as second kind beta distribution. Okay, now we are going to discuss about first kind now, so that's why here the limits are 0 to 1. Okay, so here where b of a comma b, that means beta of a comma b is the beta function. Okay, beta function, and defined as b of a comma b equals to gamma of a into gamma of b by gamma of a plus b. Okay, so this is the formula for b of a comma b. Okay, so this is also very useful for us. Okay, yeah, now we are going to do this one, moment generating function, and also before that we have to learn one more, that is nothing but beta integral. Okay, so beta integral is nothing but beta integral. So beta integral in the sense integration 0 to 1 x to the power of a minus 1 into 1 minus x to the power of b minus 1 dx. Okay, equals to b of a comma b. That means any term, if it is in this form, we can write this one, and the limits also should be from 0 to 1. Okay, so if you want to do moment generating function, you have to remember mx of t and probability density function of beta distribution of first kind, and what we can write b of a comma b formula, and also beta integral. Okay, these four formulas you have to learn. So if you know all these formulas, it is very easy for you to do. Okay, let's do. Yeah, now moment generating function. So it is denoted with what? Mx of t, no? So mx of t equals to expectation of e power tx. Okay, so this can be written 0 to 1 e to the power of tx into f of x dx. Isn't it? Yes. So what is f of x? F of x is nothing but this one. X to the power of a minus 1 into 1 minus x to the power of b minus 1 by b of a comma b. So we have to write. So that equals to integration 0 to 1 e to the power of tx f of x in the sense x to the power of a minus 1 into 1 minus x to the power of b minus 1 by beta of a comma b dx. Okay, so first we have to know that what is e power tx. E power tx formula we can write summation n equals to 0 to infinity tx to the power of n by n factorial. So how we are going to write this one, in the sense by using series expansion. Okay, series expansion. So by using series expansion we can write e power tx this way. Okay, so that's why 1 by b of a comma b I am going to write before integration. Okay, so next e power tx, in place of e power tx I can write this one. Okay, so summation n equals to 0 to infinity tx to the power of n by n factorial into integration 0 to 1 x to the power of a minus 1 into 1 minus x to the power of b minus 1 dx. Okay, so now what I am going to do is 1 by b of a comma b into summation n equals to 0 to infinity. This one I can write what? T power n into x power n by n factorial. Isn't it? So I am going to, I split these two terms, t power n, x power n into integration 0 to 1 x power a minus 1 into 1 minus x to the power of b minus 1 dx. Okay, next what I can do? See here, equals to 1 by b of a comma b summation x n equals to 0 to infinity. So here t power n by n factorial I am going to write, and this x power n I am going to take inside the integration. Okay, integration 0 to 1 x power n into x to the power of a minus 1 into 1 minus x to the power of b minus 1 dx. Okay, so that equals to 1 by b of a comma b summation n equals to 0 to infinity t power n by n factorial. So here bases are equal, power should be and no. So integration 0 to 1 x to the power of n plus a minus 1 into 1 minus x to the power of b minus 1 dx. Okay, so next what we can do here? So if we observe these two terms, it is in the form of beta integral. Okay, see, let's see. What is beta integral formula? 0 to 1, integration 0 to 1 x to the power of a minus 1 into 1 minus x to the power of b minus 1 dx. Isn't it? So if you compare these two, what we can write? This one here, b of a comma b we can write. So see here, if we compare integration 0 to 1, here also integration 0 to 1 x to the power of a minus 1, that means here this full term is called as a. Okay, a minus 1, a minus 1, 1 minus x, 1 minus x to the power b minus 1, b minus 1. So these both are similar, so that's why we can write what? B of a comma b, but in place of a what we have to write? A plus n we have to write. Okay, so 1 by b of a comma b summation x n equals to 0 to infinity t power n by n factorial. Okay, so in place of this, what I am going to write here? This one, b of a in the sense a minus 1, sorry, a in the sense what? A plus n, comma b in the sense I have to write what? B only. Okay, yeah. So next, 1 by b of a comma b summation n equals to 0 to infinity t power n by n factorial. Again this is in the form of what? B of a comma b. What we can write? B of a comma b, gamma of a into gamma of b by gamma of a plus b. Isn't it? So here I am going to write this, I am going to use this formula. So that is nothing but gamma of a in the sense what? A plus n into gamma of b by gamma of a plus n plus b. Okay, hope you understand. Okay, so next again I am going to do this one. 1 by, again this one and this one both are same now, so I am going to use this one. 1 by gamma of A into gamma of B by gamma of A plus B. Okay. Next. So, summation n equals to 0 to infinity t power n by n factorial gamma of A plus n into gamma of B by gamma of A plus B plus n. Okay, so this new denominator will go to numerator. Okay, reciprocal. So that means what? Gamma of A plus B by gamma of A into gamma of B. Summation n equals to 0 to infinity t power n by n factorial gamma of A plus n into gamma of B by gamma of A plus B plus n. So if you observe here, this gamma of B and gamma of B gets cancelled. So the remaining term is nothing but mx of t equals to gamma of A plus B into, next is by gamma of A. Summation n equals to 0 to infinity t power n by n factorial gamma of A plus n by gamma of A plus B plus n. Okay, so this is the term. So now I am going to write the full in sequence. So that is nothing but summation n equals to 0 to infinity t power n by n factorial gamma of A plus B into gamma of A plus n by gamma of A into gamma of A plus B plus n. Okay, so this is the moment generating function of what? Beta distribution of first kind. Okay, hope you all understand. So if you are newly watching, please subscribe to my channel for latest updates, and also those who want any particular topic, you please comment so that I'll try to make the video. So please share with your friends and don't forget to like and share, subscribe. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a great day.